State's medical examiner took the stand today in the Karen Reed case. Jurors saw graphic photos of O'Keefe's wounds. As WBZ's Kristina reports, that expert witness still cannot answer one critical question about John O'Keefe's death.
She can't identify the wounds on the arm. She can't identify the lacerations on his eye, on his nose.
Karen Reed's thoughts after a full day of testimony from the medical examiner about how John O'Keefe died. Jurors looked at graphic images from the victim's autopsy. We won't show the worst of those images, but jurors saw a bruise on O'Keefe's right hand, scratches up and down his right arm, and injuries to his face.
The cause of death was determined to be blunt impact injuries of head and hypothermia.
Was
Correct.
there a primary cause of death in your opinion?
The blunt impact injuries of head.
Which Dr. Scorti-Bello testified could be from falling backwards onto frozen ground. But the medical examiner could not determine how O'Keefe died. Undetermined between accident and homicide, a fact defense attorneys seized on, pressing the medical examiner on whether O'Keefe could have been beaten inside 34 Fairview Road.
Is that injury consistent or inconsistent with a punch?
Could be consistent.
You know, ultimately a big factor for the defense, because even if the Commonwealth's own medical examiner can't point, to what caused it, then maybe the jury shouldn't either. But overall, I think she's holding up pretty well.
When jurors left for the day, lawyers stayed. The defense arguing that a Commonwealth crash reconstruction expert's opinion should be kept out of this trial because a new report just released changed the time the state alleges Reed hit O'Keefe with her car by 33 seconds.
The word has been used for us, against us, ambush, ambush, ambush. If there's ever an example of an ambush, this is it.
Do you have a comment on just Bob's argument just now, just about the trial by ambush?
Yeah, he's correct. Everything Bob says, replay it back, I feel exactly the same. They're trying now to put on a defense against my defense.
And the judge did not make any decisions on those issues, just saying she would review them and they'll be discussed a little bit more on Friday. Now, we do not know who the next witness is that will be called on Friday morning. In Dedham, Kristina, WBZ News.